Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the Wall Street Journal reported that the Federal Reserve is closer than expected to end its balance sheet unwind. And the Fed's decision is a key consideration for investors as they gauge the extent to which the central bank will tighten its monetary policy moving forward. And with that, kind of sparked a market rally this morning with all three indexes trading above 1%. And we'll start with the S&P 500 right now. Currently down on the week about 0.2%. Had flirted with going positive on the week. We'll see if it can get it done by the end of the trading day. And if it does, that would give it 5 straight weeks of increases. But as it stands now, with a little bit of a weekly loss. Currently, chart analysis scores plus 70 with a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the S&P 500. And our key level to watch next week will be 2,524.56. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a short position for the S&P 500. Dollar index coming under some pressure today, and in fact this week it's down about 0.5% with a chart analysis score of negative 70 in a sidelines mode. Key level to watch will be 96.52. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones, only one of the 3 indexes in the positive territory right now, up about 0.2% on the week with a chart analysis score of plus 70 indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow. Key level to watch would be 23,301.59. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a short position for the Dow. Moving along to the NASDAQ, currently trading at 7,147.79 with a chart analysis score plus 70 indicating that we are in a sidelines position, and currently down a little over 0.1% on the week right now, so that would be its first loss in 5 weeks. Key level to watch would be 6,741.40. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a short position for the NASDAQ. Take a look at crude oil. After 3 straight weeks of gains, looks like we're going to have a weekly loss, standing around 0.9%, close to 1%. Currently trading at 53.46 with the chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for crude oil. Key level to watch will be 53.94. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a short-term long position for crude oil. However, overall the long-term trend remains down. Gold experiencing a big gain the upside today, trading right at 1,299.20, almost at that 1,300 level. Right now up about 1.4% on the week with a chart analysis score of plus 75. And your key level to watch for gold would be 1,278.90. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a short position. And we're pretty close to getting a new weekly trade triangle, so watch it to trade above 1,300. We would get that today. We'll back that out of here. Take a look at Bitcoin. Down about 0.6% on the day. Overall, down almost 4% on the week with a chart analysis score negative 100, indicating that we are in a short position for Bitcoin as it stays in the consolidation mode with no real moves to the upside or downside. Key level to watch, there remains 4,112. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. I'll be back in the early part of next week to give you a market update and check on those levels.